Welcome back to Ramsey Land. I'm on location with my buddy Rick Crosslin, and we're gonna make a liquid nitrogen bomb and a liquid nitrogen rocket. Yes, check it out. So for this investigation, we're using liquid nitrogen, a couple of water bottles, a funnel, and a barrel, and a hose to fill it with water. So the first step, you want to fill your barrel about 3/4 the way with water.
It's air and liquid nitrogen. It's more buoyant than water. We got to find some way to get the bottle to go to the bottom of the water.
So Rick tied a string around this weight. This can be tied around the water bottle to make it sink in the barrel. Got it.
And we want it to be kind of low, don't we? Down in the...
Yep.
So...
fully submerged.
Fully submerged.
Okay, so the idea is that it's going to go all the way down to the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Practice. Here we go. Look at it. Check it out.
Okay.
And we let go.
Goes all the way down. Yeah, it's okay. So it's got quite a bit of water above it still.
Okay.
All right. Okay, the next step is Rick is going to fill up our water bottle about 1/4 of the way with liquid nitrogen. I kind of hold that for you there. There you go. Yeah, it's filling. That's good.
All right.
Okay, you got it right over the barrel. You're going to tighten it and dump it in there.
Tighten and dump it in and then run. Here we go.
Tighten it really tight. That's good. All right, here we go. Oh! That's awesome. So here's the remnants of the bottle that you can see that it's just completely destroyed. Okay, for this next version, we're gonna color the water with some food coloring. All right, we're gonna fill it up again. We're gonna try it with the colored water.
Yeah.
So it'll look like a red geyser. There you go. We're filling up an Aquafina water bottle. About 1/4 of the way with liquid nitrogen.
How's that?
That's good.
Is that good?
Yeah. That's good.
We need the weight to pull it down. Otherwise, this bottle would float on top. And we want to maximize the amount of water between the explosion and the sky.
That's right.
So here we go.
All right, we're gonna tighten it.
This is the hard part.
And see if we get a red geyser.
Yikes, my fingers are cold. Here we go. Ready?
Okay. Get out of there.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Oh! I knocked it over. So we're going to add a little bit of liquid nitrogen to this cup, and then we're going to top off a water bottle that's about 3/4 the way filled, and then invert it, and the pressure from the liquid nitrogen will launch the water bottle.
That's our plan.
Now Rick's going to put his thumb over the end just briefly to build up pressure while it's inverted, and then it should take off.
Here we go.
All right. Oh, where did it go? Is it still?
And it vaporized.
Okay, let's see that again. I'm gonna back away and see if we can get more of the launch.
All right, here we go.
Okay. Whoa! Whoa!
I'm pretty sure it hit that.
Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of Ramsey Land, and I'll see you next time.